Poloniex crypto staking platform review, usage experience. Links to Poloniex are in the description. Poloniex is a well-established cryptocurrency exchange, and its staking platform is designed to help both beginners and advanced users earn passive income on their crypto holdings. Poloniex offers staking on a range of popular coins, including Tron, Cosmos, Algorand, and more. This makes it an attractive option for those looking to diversify their staking portfolio without having to use multiple platforms. One of the standout features of Poloniex's staking platform is the wide variety of supported assets. With staking options for over a dozen cryptocurrencies, users have the flexibility to earn rewards on different types of assets, making it ideal for those who want to spread their risk across various blockchains. The user-friendly interface allows for easy staking, making it accessible to new users while still offering features that experienced traders will appreciate. Poloniex offers competitive staking rewards, with annual returns ranging from 3% to 15%, depending on the asset. These returns are higher than what you might find in traditional savings accounts, making it an attractive way to generate passive income. The rewards are automatically distributed, and users can track their staking performance directly from their Poloniex dashboard, simplifying the process. Security is always a priority with Poloniex. The platform uses industry-standard security measures like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for most assets, ensuring that user funds are well protected. However, Poloniex has faced some challenges in the past regarding customer service and occasional delays in withdrawals, which could be a concern for some users. In summary, Poloniex is a strong choice for users who want access to a variety of staking options, competitive rewards, and a secure platform. While it may not be perfect for those seeking 24/7 support, it's a solid option for those looking for a trustworthy, efficient staking experience. If you're ready to start staking, check the links in the description for more details.